No way. Oh my goodness, without even putting the care package stuff on. How you doing? I'm at the Secret Garden with the yet unnamed vehicle, the Axial UTB18 4-wheel steer. We've made some changes which voiceover me will talk about in this video. I'll let you know everything that we've done to it for me to try and take this from the RTR that really made me quite angry to a vehicle which has done some things today which you're going to be super surprised at, because I was too. Actually, if you were one of the guys that got angry because I said annoying things about the thing you love, maybe you won't be surprised. But let me clarify, I hate RTRs. I realise that they need to exist for people that are new to the hobby and to get someone into the hobby. Like if one of these gets someone into the hobby who is a bit depressed or very unhappy or whatever, and then they find that this distracts them long enough for them to get over being, you know, really upset and sad and very unhappy potentially, then it's a great thing, right? This could save somebody's life. I think it might have saved mine. So what I'm saying is, don't make us buy an RTR. Us guys that have been in the hobby a while are going to change things. Don't give us servos with servo horns that move and slip. Don't give us inserts that don't work. Don't even give us wheels and tyres. Just give us a decent slider. Although the Mickey Thompsons are going to do some things with my tyre mod, foam mod. They're going to do some things that maybe surprise a lot of you and really surprise me today. Don't give us a motor. Don't give us something that we're just going to throw in the electric recycling. Don't give us a crappy ESC. I understand a lot of people were happy that we didn't get the 2-in-1 receiver ESC set up, but don't even give me a receiver. Just give me the bare bones and I will build something that is really capable, like this is getting. This is getting really good. Just before I arrived, a care package from Mias has arrived to try and tune out some of the undesirable things about the UTB18's handling characteristics. But let me just say, for those of you that said if this is set up correctly, Axial have done a really good job. This does crawl really nicely. With my brass lowers, we get a bit of weight down, and already we're starting to see performance that I wasn't expecting. One of the pulls that it makes today in this video blew my mind. Anything I forgot to talk about here, voice over me. Have you got me?
Yes, I've got you.
Nice. So voice over me's got me. Voice over me is going to tell you anything I forgot. I'm just going to let this video play now because I want you to see what this annoying little truck that I'm falling in love with can do. So this is a line I haven't even attempted with the 10 scale stuff. But I actually think if we get the line right here, bear in mind guys, I am at the moment, I'm working on a set of extended rear links for this, so we do get a little bit more reach. I don't want to go too much though, because I don't want to lose the breakover. Some of the breakover things this has done today, just been incredible. Yeah. The care package from Mias is calling. I feel like if we had a tiny bit more weight over that front axle. You know what, this one's doable guys, I'm pretty sure it's doable.
I mean, I'm editing, I've seen the footage, I know we do it.
No way. Oh my goodness, without even putting the care package stuff on. That is incredible. Look at this. This is like straight up, and it is absolutely close to being beyond the breakover, not the breakover, the reach. Like look, once this is on the deck, my goodness, how did it do that?
So in case you hadn't noticed, I am absolutely stoked and gobsmacked, surprised, whatever superlative you can think of, about the performance that's coming out of this now tweaked UTB18. But was I wrong about the RTR?
Wow, that was really good.
This is not something I thought I would be saying, but I really like the Spectrum controller. Ugh, it feels dirty saying that with my mouth. I really like it. It's intuitive. The ergonomics are absolutely fine for my quite large hands. I like the way they've chosen to give you the buttons to operate the four-wheel steering. That is in the plus column for me.
Now, after what it just did, I'm not going to be super surprised if it makes this down here, but I am going to be really pleased if it makes it down there. Like that last obstacle, super impressive. And there she is back in shot. Just the brass lowers, the brass front suspension links, the Mini 16. It's starting to sound like a lot of stuff, but if we hadn't have had to throw the RTR stuff away, like if we could have bought this as a kit, I'd be super happy. And that's not to say that I'm not super happy now. I am. This is really starting to turn my head. And now I'm starting to understand why some of you were upset that I said naughty things about the thing you like.
Just to avoid confusion, I am going to be talking about my good buddy Rui from Rui's RC Adventures in a minute. He is super familiar with this spot that I'm going to be trying to crawl up in a minute. He'll be impressed with this.
Oh, that was incredible. That's so wet and slippy there, guys. Now, Rui will know the line I'm doing, and he will also know how incredibly difficult this line is. Even when it's dry, it's not easy. But the fact that we're getting close in a what do we want? I think we want that. Sorry, the fact that we're even getting close in this horrible, damp, soggy weather is something that needs to be seen, to be believed. Oh goodness, Rui, I wish you was here today. I really do. I have a feeling you would find your way up it with the UTB18 today. Understandably, my brain isn't where it's supposed to be 100%. So just in case you were wondering why there's been no content on this for a week, it's because my partner's dad passed away. Lisa's dad, Ivor, passed away last week, and it's obviously it's taken priority over everything. I've not been able to play with my toys or create any content and stuff, but she has to be my priority right now, and our son also has to take priority, and yeah, understandably she's not been herself, so So that's why things have been a little bit slow. Just in case you've been wondering, we're not stopping, we're not slowing down, but we are taking a break when life gets it. We are the RC family after all. You know, I'm trying to be good family. I think that's really important. Oh, well, that was a lovely little interlude. Just met some fella walking a great big Newfoundland Terrier called Apollo. Such a nice guy, and what a beautiful dog. I think we're going to have to come back to this one, guys. I've been here for quite a long time, and there are other obstacles. I just feel like if I did something with the steering at that point, and that's why I've been here so long, I feel like I'm just one steering choice, decision away from making the pull. Oh. Right, we're going to come back at this one, guys. Oh, trash the camera straight into the dirt. No. Oh my goodness, sorry camera. You okay? You've got a dirt turd stuck to you. Let's get rid of that. You know those little dirt turd, you know what I mean? It's like a little turd made out of dirt. Stuck to my camera.
What an incredible session this was. The UTB18 4-wheel steer has been completely transformed. The tyre foam mods mean that these Mickey Thompson Baja Pro X by Proline are absolutely usable. I don't know what improvements can be made by running like in my situation here, a Predator compound trencher would be a good option, and maybe we'll investigate that further on down the line. But just the servo, the Fusion Mini 16 and the brass lowers and chunky front steering links have completely transformed for this. I found the UTB18 4-wheel steer to be super frustrating when I took it to my rocks. Maybe a little bit too much for this, but I believe now with the modifications that are done, those rocks would be totally doable. Absolutely 100% doable. And maybe I was a little bit harsh, but was I wrong? No. I don't make us guys that are a little bit further into the hobby than someone who's new to the hobby, don't make us buy all of the RTR crap and then have to throw it in the bin.
So what did you think? This truck has really surprised me today. I have a big bag of Mias bits. Editor me, can you show the bag of Mias bits?
Can you stop giving me jobs to do?
Good job, Editor me. There is a big bag of Mias bits going on this. We've got all the brass goodies and the stronger shafts and everything we need to turn this into a real tool. I'm being really careful and gentle with it at the moment because you guys have all told me how fragile some of the bits are, but that's about to change. We're going to be doing custom shocks, custom axles, custom portal boxes, and the list goes on. If you're interested in that, please click the subscribe button. If you hit the like button for me, it will help other people out there that are in the hobby find one of the only honest channels reviewing stuff, buying it out of their own pocket and telling you the truth. Sometimes the truth pisses you off, and I'm sorry about that. That's not my job. My job is to tell you the truth about these little toy cars.